welcome back to Dipa Learning Center channel with Smarter Class, fun English for kids. With me, Miss Winnie, then I want to talk about the difference between consonants and vowels. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters, and in the alphabet, there are 5 vowels and 1 special vowel. So, the rest of the letters are consonants. And here's the alphabet. Okay, the first letter A is a vowel. The next letter B is a consonant. C, consonant. D, consonant. And E is another vowel. The letter F, G, and H are consonants. I is a vowel. J, K, L, M, N are another consonants. The letter O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, and T are consonants. The letter U is the last main vowel. V, W, and X are consonants. And the letter Y is the special vowel. And the last letter is Z, is a consonant. Then, I will talk more about the main and the special vowels. Now, all English words have vowels, maybe one or many words. Let's take a look on these words. The first word is set. We have S is a consonant, A is a vowel, and T is the consonant. The second word is bed. B is consonant, E is a vowel, and D is a consonant. The next word is big. B, consonant. I, the vowel. T, consonant. Hope. H, consonant. O, a vowel. And P is a consonant. The last, fun. F, consonant. U, vowels. And consonant. Then we have the main vowel. A, E, I, O, U are the main vowels. Okay, repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U are main vowels. And I said that Y is a special vowel because sometimes it is a consonant, but sometimes it is a vowel. Now, let's look at this word. Shy. Shy. The letter Y sounds like I, so it is a vowel. Next, tricycle. Tricycle. The letter Y sounds like E, so it is a vowel. The word many, many. The letter Y sounds like E, so in this case, Y is a vowel. Now, in the last 2 words, young and yellow, the letter Y are consonants. Only if Y at the first word or its Y sound, for example, young, yellow, are consonant. Again, A, E, I, O, and U are main vowels. And Y is a special vowel. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Hopefully, you can enjoy it. So, see you next week. Bye!